I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit.
Hola, thank you very much for watching Slikhaar TV today. We have Arnaud.
Hi guys.
Here's the cameraman and you're gonna get the haircut today.
Yes, haircut.
By Gabriel.
Gabriel.
Please introduce yourself.
Hoy vamos a hacer el corte de Cristiano Ronaldo de la Eurocopa, la final del 2016 contra Francia, cuando quedaron campeones. Así que queremos hacerlo tan bien para nosotros también salir orgullosos de este corte.
Thank you very much, and you have a huge YouTube channel as well. You should check it out in the comment section down below.
I'm up for it, man. I want to start the haircut.
Sounds good, man. And you up for it?
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah, let's do it.
And there we have it, the Cristiano Ronaldo haircut.
Yes.
Thank you very much, Gabriel.
Thank you.
Looks awesome.
Yeah, man.
What do you guys think? We should have your comment in the comment section down below.
Yeah, do it.
If you want to win this 4-pack, then you should write a comment down below and let us know why it should be you. Remember to subscribe and like the video. And also a big thanks to Gabriel.
Thank you.
Thanks, man.
Thank you, man, for the hairstyle.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work